Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the channel. Today I am present with a new video about the FlowX Finance testnet. They recently launched their testnet. All the world listed members of our community can visit their testnet and perform the required task. All links I provided all the links in the description of the video. These are the tasks we need to perform. I will keep the video short and perform all tasks. So first you will need to connect your wallet. From here you will connect your wallet. Click on connect wallet. I'm using Sui wallet, so I'm connecting the Sui wallet. You need to connect that wallet which is whitelisted for the testnet. Now my wallet is connected. First we need to perform the swap option, swap task. We will click on swap. We will get this menu. From here we can do the swap. The first is 1-to-1 swap, 1-to-1 swap. Second is first is 1-to-1 swap, second is 1-to-2 swap, third is 1-to-3 token swap, and 1-to-5 token swap. How you will do that? 1-to-1 swap is so easy. You can select one token from here, like I'm selecting USD. Here I will type the amount which I want to swap for USD and click on swap. I will get the confirmation to my wallet. I will confirm accept the swap from here. I will approve the transaction by clicking approve. The transaction will be approved. So we are done with the 1-to-1 swap. Now we need to perform 1-to-2 token swap in a single transaction. So for that I will need to add one more token here. Like I click on add more, and from here you can select any token you want. Like I'm selecting Shiba. Here you will mark it and select token. Now I selected two tokens. Here I will select the desired amount. Like I want to buy 0.02 Sui worth these two tokens. You can adjust here the percentage. How much you want to buy USD and how much you want to buy Shiba Inu, and we'll click on swap. When we click on swap, we will confirm the swap. We will get confirmation to our wallet. Here I will get a swap, approve swap. I will click on approve. Now our second task is done. The swap is successful. Now our second task is done. Now the third task. Now for the third task, we need to swap 3 tokens. So from here we will add another token. Make sure you don't add FLX. If you add FLX, you will get error. This time I am adding DAI. Now I got 3 tokens here. I will enter the amount here for which I want to swap. Let's suppose I want to swap 0.2 Sui. Here you can adjust the percentage how much you want to swap. I will click on swap, confirm. I will get the confirmation to my wallet, and I will approve the transaction. Now here I got approve. I will click on approve and approve the transaction. The transaction is successfully done. Now we need a swap 5 token in a single transaction. Buying 5 token in a single transaction. So here we will add 2 more tokens. I will click on add more. Let's suppose I want to add Ether and TFLX. I added 2 more. So this time I want to swap 0.3 SUI, 0.3 SUI, and I will click here on swap. I am performing the task from cell phone. You can also perform from the laptop or desktop. I got the approval from here. I will click approve and the transaction will be approved. Here I will get the notification. So the 125 token transaction is done. Now we need to reverse the action. We will sell 2 tokens for 1 token in a single transaction. For that you will add here the token. Like I'm adding here SUI token, add more. I want to add USDC. Let's suppose I want to add USDC here. I will select let's suppose I select TFLX. Here the task is sell 2 tokens for SUI or USDC. So here I will select SUI. Here I need to input the amount. I want to sell 1 token of this and 0.1 of the USDC, and I will click on swap. I will confirm the swap. I got the approval to my wallet. I will approve the transaction. The transaction is successfully done. Now the next task is swap 3 token. I will add 1 more token here. Let's suppose I add a die here, 1 more. The same, you will enter amount here. Like I want to swap 0.1 and I will click on swap and confirm the swap. I will get approval to my wallet. I will click on approve the transaction. Now the transaction is successfully done. Now we are left with the last task. 5 tokens, sale of 5 tokens. I have Shiba Inu and I have another token. Oh shit, what I have another token. Now the next is 5 token to 1 token swap in a single transaction. Here I want to swap 0.1. Here I want to swap 0.01. Here I have some amount 0.02 I want to swap. Here I want to swap 1, and here I want to swap 1 TFLX. I will get the whole amount here and I will click on swap. I am clicking on swap and confirm the swap. I will get again approval to my wallet, transaction approval. I will approve the transaction. I will click on approve. The transaction is successfully done now. Now we will back. We are done with the swapping. Now we will use the liquidity function. We will click on liquidity. Our first task is to provide a liquidity. I already performed those tasks, so I'm making a video for you guys. So first is providing liquidity to 2 pairs. We will select on select pairs. I want to provide liquidity to USDC and SUI. I will select both and click on select tokens. Let me switch to the desktop one. I selected the both tokens and now I want to provide liquidity for both tokens. In the next step, we will provide liquidity using 1 token. So I want to provide liquidity of 0.02 USDC and I will click on supply. Here I will confirm the liquidity transaction. Here I am getting an error, gas estimation failed. So I will reject this and select another pair. I selected SUI and cake pair. I have that much amount of cake, so I will keep in mind that I don't exceed the amount. I will click on supply, confirm. I will get approval to my wallet. Now I will click on approve the transaction. The transaction is done. The liquidity is successfully. We add the liquidity. The next step is remove liquidity. For that, we will click on manage. We click on manage. Here we will remove some liquidity from here. Let's suppose I want to remove 48% of liquidity. I will click on remove and confirm. I will get a transaction to my wallet to approve the transaction. Here I need to approve the transaction. We'll click approve the transaction. The transaction is successfully done. We are done with the liquidity removing. Now we go back to the liquidity section. Here we will click on position, create new position. This time from here we will select token. This time we need to perform a task with one token. This time I'm selecting Shiba Inu and USDC. And here the task is use one token. Use one token, you unmark this one or this one, it's your wish. Let's suppose I'm unmarking the USDC and providing only Shiba Inu and 10 tokens, 10 token liquidity. I want to provide 10 token liquidity and click on supply. We will confirm the transaction. Here we will click on approve. I clicked on approve. Now we are done with the task. We added liquidity with one pair. Now the last task is convert. We will click on convert. For that you need FLX. From where you will get FLX? You will get from the swap. I already provided here, so I'm short with the SUI. I will tell you guys how you will do it. You will click on swap, and here you will swap for FLX. Like you need 25 FLX, so you will click here 5. It will automatically pick the SUI here and click on swap. You will get the FLX from here. Okay, you will get the FLX from here and you will come to the convert section. You will click on convert. Here you will see your FLX. You will need to if you got a 5 FLX or 6 or 7, click on the maximum and convert. When you convert it, then after that click the arrow mark. The XFLX will go up and the FLX will go down. Here click on the maximum. You will get here the tokens, and from here you can select the vesting schedule. The minimum is 30 days. You can use the 90 days or you can use the 30 days, whatever you want to choose, and you will click on convert. I forgot one main task, to provide 20 FLX and 20 SOI liquidity. You will click here, select tokens. You will select SUI and FLX. I don't have FLX right now here. You will need to swap your SUI or any other token to FLX. You will get FLX here. You must provide liquidity with 20 FLX. You will click on select tokens. You got the 2 tokens here. Here you will type let's suppose 10, no, type 20, you will get the FLX amount here and the SUI amount here, and after that you will click on supply. After doing all the tasks, you can track your task here in the dashboard. I did already this task. In this task also the one pair liquidity, but there is a bug in the dashboard, so it is not picked. If you found any bug, you can report here or report directly on the WhatsApp on their Discord in the testnet room. So it was the short video about how to perform the testnet. I hope you guys will enjoy it. So if still you guys face any problem, you can ask me via WhatsApp, via my Telegram, or you can do the comment in the comment section right here below the video.